Good morning folks, 21st Century Caveman here. Hope everybody's safe, hope everybody's well. So the gas central heating has now been installed. I'll just sort of show you around. So obviously in the kitchen we have a nice small little radiator and we've got some trunking up the wall there, look. So in this room then, we have another radiator. As you can see, they're really nice slimline radiators, aren't they? I mean, they must stick out probably just a couple of inches, that's all. So that's very impressive. So that looks really nice. And also, all this was done in a day. And I must say that I'm very impressed. And I think the workmen have done a super job. So, going into the lounge then, we have another one over here. Got the trunking going up the wall. They've done a really nice tidy job, I think. Have another radiator over here. So this one then is, I believe, the same power as this one over here, only because of, you know, the space constraints, this one sticks out a little bit more. So we've got another one over there, look, and that enables obviously the heat to go up the stairs. So in this lounge then we have 3 radiators, decent sized ones. So we should have a lot of pipes in here, and I think they've done a beautiful tidy job, I really do. I think that looks absolutely fantastic. So I was very impressed with that. So the boiler then is in the utility room. Now, I'm waiting for the electrician to come just to do his part, but that's what we've got. So I just need to tidy up a few little bits there, look, obviously, but I'm going to do that with the decorating anyway. And as we can see, they've done an absolutely super job. I'm really impressed with that. So this is the boiler then. So as we can see, it's a Combi, it's a Logic. Got all that gubbins on there, look. And there's a soakway outside. So I'm impressed with that. Not a problem at all. As I say, just waiting for the electrician. Just to come and sort, you know, just to come and follow up. So I think they've done an absolutely beautiful job. So let me take you upstairs, folks. Now there was a little bit of water spillage when it took out the, you know, the immersion heater and that. So that looks as if that's drying out quite nicely now. So I've got all that space there, look. And obviously I'll be doing, you know, doing whatever I need to do just to make sure we can take advantage of that additional space. So that's that. In the bathroom, we've got another nice slimline radiator just tucked behind the door. In the main bedroom then, we've got another radiator. Now this one's underneath the window. I would have preferred it to be on a wall, but quite frankly, it just would have compromised too much, you know, the ability to sort of like place a bed where you want to. So anyway, not the best place, but you know, it was the one which gave the optimum amount of flexibility in the room. So the second bedroom, and the radiator is over here. And last but by no means least, in the small bedroom, we've got a radiator tucked away in the corner. So there we go then, the gas central heating is now in situ. I'm delighted with the work, I think it looks fantastic, and I think the quality of workmanship was absolutely excellent. So congratulations contractors, you've done a really cracking job, and all this was done in one day, which I find absolutely remarkable. And the thing is, when something's done within such a short time period, I mean, okay, it was a long day for them and they had a couple of teams on site, you know, there's always that doubt in the back of your mind as to whether or not the quality of work's going to be there, but I think it was, and I'm absolutely delighted with what they've done. So yeah, absolutely spot on. The other thing which I'm really happy with is the fact that when the surveyors first came out, there was a little bit of to and fro-ing about the pipe work. I told them that I wanted as much as possible of the pipe work to be concealed, and they said, look, at the end of the day, because of the boards, because of the flooring, then, you know, you start chopping that stuff up, it's going to be like Weetabix, it just crumble and fall apart. But because I'd already lifted them in order to insulate beneath them, and then screw them back into place, it was just a case of unscrewing them. They just lifted them and all of the pipe work has been concealed. So as I say, absolutely fantastic job, I'm delighted with it. So it's just the making good stuff now, isn't it? Just hiding all of the pipes and all that good stuff, and finishing off the decorating, and obviously getting the kitchen in. So anyway, look, thank you very much indeed for tuning in to another video. You take care. Bye bye.